Hello, I'm Chuck Troutman here for Survival Supply House. Normally when I make these videos, I'm talking about having safe emergency food storage for if there's to be a natural or man-made disaster. But today I'm going to talk about a more fun thing to use them for. Many of our customers buy our food for camping and hiking. We have a family pack that seems to be popular that has 16 meals in a small box, and each bag holds 4 meals. So in that pack we have a enchilada and beans. There's 4 servings in here. Each of these bags weighs 1 pound 2 ounces, or about 18 ounces, so it's not real heavy in your backpack. We also have in the pack stroganoff, my personal favorite. We have 4 meals of classic chili, and we've got pasta primavera. So 4 meals in a bag, so for 1 pound 2 ounces, you can have 4 meals in there. You need to be aware that for each meal it takes about 1.5 cups of water. So take water, and of course you'll have some kind of you'll light a fire in the woods, or you'll have a portable stove of some kind to heat the water. But it's a tasty solution. It doesn't take up much room when you're going out for a hike. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope to talk to you soon. Oh, you probably want to know the pricing. The family pack of 16 meals is $48, and on the website there's a coupon code right across the top where you get 10% off for being a new customer, and also we pay the freight on all orders. So your net price will be $43.20 for 16 meals that you can take anywhere. Thanks again.